Welcome to another unboxing event. My name is Adam Shelton, so thank you for watching this video. I have my dog right here, and we're going to unbox the brand new book that I just ordered called YouTube Formula. YouTube Formula. So I'm going to show you exactly what this looks like in the box. Just got it in, so let's go ahead. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel as well. Click on the link below to get access to this book as well too. So let me go ahead and unbox this. Just came in today. And this is what it looks like. YouTube Formula. It's probably backwards here. And it's how anyone can unlock the algorithm to drive views, build an audience, and grow revenue. Absolutely. Smells really good. Smells like opportunity. Absolutely. So this book is from 𝐂𝐸. He is the author of this. And, you know, you want to grow your channel. You want to grow your business. So if you're looking to really grow your business with subscribers, views, build a business with it, make money online with your YouTube channel, then this book here will definitely help you out. Yes. So I'm so excited about this book. It's about, how many pages is this? I see 320? No, it is 299 pages. And this is what it looks like in the book. Good old YouTube Formula. 𝐂𝐸 right there. So this book here is good for anyone who's looking to start and brand their YouTube channel, start a business, take your passion into your YouTube channel. And this book here has a lot of good lessons in here. So I'm going to start reading this book, and I'll do a review exactly what I'm getting from this book, because you know we all want to grow. We want to grow, get better, and I want to see you grow as well too. So, all right, my name is Adam Shelton. Click on the link below if you want a copy of this YouTube Formula book. I will have the link in the description. And I'll do like a review as I read this book. I'll have a review exactly how it's working for me. And hopefully this can help you as well. So, I'll see you in the next video. The dog is sitting here. Look at us say goodbye. All right, YouTube Formula out. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel. Click on the link below, and I'll see you on the next video.